guys, welcome to Sprightly Kid, and today I'm going to be painting on these kawaii squishies again. So let's get started. So these are the squishies I'm working with. This is a donut that has a bite mark taken out of it, and this one is a bun with a bite mark taken out of it. So I'm going to start by painting on the donut. I'm gonna paint it a light blue for the bottom. Here it is. I'll show you when it's done. And now time to let this to dry. So while the donut is drying, I'm gonna move on to the bitten bun. So I decided I'd paint this in a nice brown color. And now time to let this thing to dry. Now that the top of the bun is dry, I'm gonna start painting the bottom of it with white because I am gonna be blending the brown and white together on this bun. I'll show you when it's done. So now that I finished putting on the white, I'm gonna start kind of blending it with the brown. Now time to let this to dry. So now that the blue on the donut is all done and all dry, I'm gonna move on to the frosting, which is gonna be coated in purple paint. I'll show you when it's done. And now time to let this thing to dry. So now that the purple frosting is all done and dry, I'm gonna start by painting some metallic silver sprinkles. I'll show you when they're done. And now that the metallic sprinkles are done, I'm gonna let this thing to dry. And while the donut is drying, I'm gonna move on to the bun. And I decided that I should put a face on this. So I'm gonna be using these stickers for the face. And I'll be right back. I'll show you when the sticker is on the bun. And now that the face is done, I'm gonna take it a step further, and I decided that I'd paint a little strawberry filling in this bun because it is a strawberry filled bun. I'll show you when it's done. Now time to let this strawberry filling thing on the bun to dry. And oh, I almost forgot that I'm also going to be putting the same strawberry filling on the donut as well. I'll show you when it's done. And now time to let this to dry. And now that this donut squishy is completely dry, I'm going to attach the little keychain strap to it. And there, the donut is finished. And now that this bun is all done, I'm also gonna stick the little keychain strap on it as well. Oops, wait, hold on a second. And there, it's all done. So this is the finished result of my kawaii squishies painting. I really like these two a lot. I really like the donut, especially the blue color, the blue bread on the donut, even though that is a weird color for a donut, but I still like it. And I also like the purple frosting and the metallic silver sprinkles, and I also like the strawberry filling. By the way, this is a cream donut. A cream donut is a donut that has some type of filling in it. And this one is a cream bun, a bun that has a cream filling in it. I like the strawberry filling, and I like the blending of the white and the light brown. And I really like the face. The face is cute. I'm gonna squish them. Yeah. So that was my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And remember to be cute and creative. Bye!